Hey guys, Naomi here, creator of the Rapid Reno Mate, and I wanted to talk to you today about one of my favorite things about the app. And that is the fact that one of my bugbears, one of my, I guess, forever pains when I'm working with people learning to renovate is the fact that they often start where they need to finish, and that there's actually an order that things, when you're wanting to plan for a renovation, when you're wanting to do it right, when you're wanting to stay on budget, stay on time, and still create an amazing space, there is a process that you need to go through. And the first one is the planning. So, one of my favorite things about the Rapid Renovate app is that, first of all, it's free, but second of all, it actually makes you take the process of planning. So when you open up that app, if you haven't already downloaded it, do it now from your app, from iTunes or from Google Play. When you are downloading it and you open it up, you will see it automatically asks you to add in project data. So it asks you to create a project about what you're doing, whether this is your own home, whether this is an imaginary home. And once you've done that, you'll then be able to start to take all the steps you need to do to start the reno process. And all you need to do to start is click on the plus at the bottom of the screen, and you'll see a trackpad rise up in the middle. And what that does is it shows you each and every step you need to take. Literally, start at the top and start entering your project data. And this will ensure that you're undertaking the right process to get your reno done. So there you go. That is my first favorite thing about the Rapid Reno Mate.